It's a busy day down at one of the bus depots. And just above there is the train stop, the rail station. On the ground, on the cement, you may notice the markings here, and these are where there will be booths, and you should be here during the Christmas holiday when fireworks booths that's selling fireworks are on display all the way up and down this sidewalk. One booth after another selling fireworks. And across the street, that's where we ate squid the other day, right there. Back behind there is the farmer's market. Fresh meats, produce, yes, flowers, fish, you name it. Okay, there's the farmer's plaza. I mean, that's the farmer's market. This is the farmer's plaza. And right across the street, the Araneta Coliseum. And just over that way is the Gateway Mall. I'll show you that in just a few minutes. One of the largest indoor coliseums in Asia. Inside that coliseum are conducted concerts, circuses, boxing matches, various sports, concerts, and cockfighting is legal here. In fact, it's a major thing here, and people show up by the thousands, and they invest lots heavily into their roosters. Gateway Mall. It's 5 floors, and right next to it is a church. The Philippines is the only Asian country dominated by Christianity. This is the Universal Church of the Kingdom of God. But the Catholic Church is also a large church here, and the presence of the Church of Christ is quite strong in this area. In the southern part of the country, region, the Islamic religion is the majority there. There you see a crosswalk from back and forth from Farmers Plaza to the Gateway Mall and the Araneta Center. Donut business is big business here, and here's one place you'll get the best donut of your life. Dunkin' Donuts is here. So is Krispy Kreme. Right here you can watch them make the donuts. Krispy Kreme has just made its presence in the Philippines. But there's another one called Mr. Doughnuts, and there are even more. Lots of places to get donuts.
Hey, hello.
This is my other computer buddy. We call him Augie.
Okay.
Sometimes we call him a few other things.
Really? Now, what would that be? Just don't call me late for dinner.
He's probably one of the smartest guys I know.
Yeah, right.
At night, it's really kind of pretty around here. Right across the street is that little carnival. And it's right across across from the shoe mart, S&M.
Hey, that's not S&M, that's SS.
That's him saying all that. This is Augie.
Hello.
Don't let that... I met Augie a number of years ago, and we spent the day at Subic Bay.
Yeah.
Went to a zoo called Subic.
Subic Zoo?
Yeah.
Natural
Yeah. So he's been very instrumental in keeping me informed of good places to go and things to do in the Philippines. Smarter than anybody I know, although he would never admit that. Huh?
You're just saying that because I'm here.
And he's very good guy, very independent-minded, and I've never seen him with this kind of a haircut, but it doesn't surprise me at all.
Really?
You know, but anyway, in a few weeks we hope to show you. He's from up north in Luzon, and I think we're all going to discover that it's a different animal compared to Manila. And we're inside Gloria Jean's coffee shop, and right over there is the Araneta Coliseum. Starbucks way over there. We sometimes hang out. Okay. And as you can see, it's still fairly active, but most of the people are settling down for the night. It's Sunday night. Many have to go to work in the morning. Many of them are getting off work today. But this is Cubao, Philippines, which is part of the Metro Manila, and you can count that all of the other cities in the metro area are just as busy and lively, if not more so. So this, like I said before, this is kind of like the New York City of the Philippines.